That's actually my PB, by the way. Hope you guys just know that.
Hold up. I'm getting my PP out.
Hey, yo, chill!
I can't just in here.
POV, average day in Detroit. Hold up. Average day in Detroit.
Once I get movie icon, I'm accomplished. Accomplished.
What the f?
Accomplished.
I swear you had like a brain stroke there. Accomplished.
Why did bro clip it?
I didn't clip it. That was my PS4.
Yes, you did.
That was an update,
You
dude.
clipped it.
That was an update. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. You're yapping. You're yapping, bro. You're yapping.
You clipped it, bro.
I did.
Jason, shut up. F you. Why are you chewing so loud, Jason? God damn.
I'm not even chewing.
You know, the individual battles like Anakin when he fights Luke like that, it was like everyone just fighting each other, bro.
Oh yeah, I know
Oh,
what you're
shit.
talking about. I know what you're talking about.
We all went silent for Jason.
Sword.
Oh shit.
So I feel like in... I'm
not talking to you! I'm not talking to you! I'm not talking to you! Shut the f*** up! Shut the f*** up! Shut the f*** up!
It has only been 2 days since we last been together.
Why'd you moan? You just like...
Is it cause they, whatever.
They? What the f***?
Fucking you?
Wait, you decide on a gender.
But Mikhail's difficult, like it's a she, a he, and a they.
Can you make it right, you?
And a hippopotamus.
A hippopotamus?
These conversations make me feel high. Stop.
Baby. When are you coming up for us?
Vanessa's gonna come and propose to Freddy Fazbear.
What the?
I'm done.
Oh.
Moi's on his alt, bro.
On the Smurf account.
That's on you, bro.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh yeah!
Oh shit.
Pull
Oh,
the Jeff
you
at spawn.
I would have called you the N-word, but I'm not like that. I'm better. Okay. You'd rather be in a
I might go for their Luna now. She's the problem.
Moise is your right side, not bro.
Help me! No! Oh no! Guys! If I date a trans woman, am I gay?
Bro,
If I date a
What?
trans woman, am I gay?
what question is that? That's a good question, actually.
I told you.
I was thinking about it.
I've looked to my right, Deji. Look to my left, AJ.
These pots.
Is that the cringe videos?
Ooh, I think so.
Alright.
Habibi. Habibi.
Dog. Wait, can cats get put down?
Yes. Or just any animal.
Even you, Jason.
Well, that's just called killing.
What? You disappointment. What are you doing to me?
I'm not a disappointment. I'm dating a god baddie. I got that in me. Just.
But no.
Dad, you're just not seeing my.
You're such an ass.
Dad, you're just not seeing my potential.
What?
You're just not seeing my potential.
Bro, I'm traveling to the.
No, I was trying. My thing kept like, you know when your mic like glitches and goes to one side of the headphones? Like I heard it from one side. I heard the mic from one side, so I was trying to fix it.
Bro.
There's too much dip on the chip.
Bro, y'all just having a double conversation. I'm like,
Bro, you're getting Charlie Kirked by the Black Widow. Including or not including gang violence.
Counting or not counting gang violence? Great.
Dog, this composition.
you can hear me?
This composition's hot.
Dude, this team up is goated. Look at Adam Warlock, Loki, Luna, Iron Fist, Star-Lord. Or even...
Dog, this is a nightmare blood rotation, bro.
Go for water.
Yeah, go for air. You mean air? What do you go for Go. Did you die?
Flip it, please.
Bro, how long have you had it for?
Like a year?
Oh, bro, that's a year, bro. That's a record.
He's yelling for help.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Jason! Oh my god!
What is happening? He's got back.
There's a giant!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
What do you think?
Yeah.
I just realized.
Spawn there! Adam!
I realized it before.
What the f-
But I didn't have to think about it that much.
What did you put this spawn here?
Because Curly was
Who put the
texting
spawn
her
there,
like,
dude?
she goes,
Dude, Double Dino's nuts, dude. What the f?
and I'm like, I had to
Perfect! This is perfect!
That's it.
That's it. Look who I am! I'm crying, bro. I'm crying.
I'm screwed up, bro. You know what that is? I don't like this PP.
Racist.
I don't like the skin color. Bro, one of their Giggle Tart left.
Let's go. This is my first time seeing the MVP.
Bad Bunny did not host that song.
I don't know about that.
What do you mean about that, you goonball?
Did you even watch the Super Bowl?
Think you're funny?
Yes, absolutely.
Alright, well, having more than during summer then, because I think we're gonna be split up during summer a lot.
Moises, the solo arc was terrible, bro. They had me punching wood in Siberia for like
What the f?
They had me punching wood for like
Alright, bye, night.
But
okay.
But like, how are we supposed to know he's talking to us even though he's someone call out there?
Yeah. Alright, you can start.
Now we can actually win a match.
Nope. Okay, bro. Yeah, notice we were going good until Moise joined. Dead. I think you're dead.
How do they die?
Where are you?
Up your booty. Oh, what the f? You actually scared me there.
I'm going to die! I swear to you! But now I'm gonna die!
I wanna pee myself. Oh my god.
Oh, so his eyes done.
You died. I can't find super chip.
Just more water about time, Jeep! I need water!
I can't find a super chip.
Brother, this is a piece! A whole bunch of nothing, brother.
I can't find it, we need it.
They built the Winter Soldier. Well, why am I getting a pickup from Manchester? The Iron Fist player, bro. I don't like Manchester.
No,
player.
it's the thingy going to sleep. It's Iris going to sleep. That's her little like.
Oh!
You finally got the joke.
Yeah, I get it now. Why doesn't Loki hold that, bro?
Low key.
They just kept coming in. 9 and 5 Spider-Man, get off the game. Remember this clip. You haven't showered in days.
New lore update. She's actually trans. It was actually Doran, but now it's Doreen. What? It was.
Look what you were making accepted! Look what you were making accepted! Uncle, the truth too. Don't tell another girl! You look at the girl! We're making accepted! Don't tell another girl! You look at the girl! Me neither.
What's going on?
Uncle, the truth too. You look at the girl! Me neither. Look what you were making accepted! Uncle, the truth too. Don't tell another girl! You look at the girl! Me neither. We're making accepted!
This was, unfortunately, when content issues with YouTube began. The Saw episodes were the first ones that became a major problem for YouTube and required extensive blurring to keep from getting demonetized and age restricted.
Oh, let's go. I actually got a dino.
Censored kill counts on the Patreon.
Looks like he's back in the fossils.
As possible, a single $1 a month. But I have never.
I'm so good at one-liners.
Explained many.
Sure.
I'll cook you some like shrimp, bro. Trust.
I'm versatile.
Michaela,
Okay, who's invited to join?
you accept?
Kill yourself!
Who's invite?
That's it! What do you mean, who's invite?
We both invited you at the same time.
Okay.
Who's invited to
and
join, Michaela?
I joined Jason's.
Let's go! F you, Moises! F you!
No, it's because his was first, so I just clicked on whatever.
Mine was first!
What the hell?
Brother.
Bro, what the?
Do I still have my voice changer off?
What do you... Yes, you do.
I got a voice changer off? Wait.
You sound so good.
This is better.
You sound the same.
Okay, bro. I'm gonna clip that, see if it's real. I'm gonna clip that.
Lick it, whip it, drumstick it!
Drumstick it! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Oh! Oh!
Start it!
We will start when I say we start!
Bro.
No, Michaela, don't leave me behind! Don't leave me behind!
Michael! Don't leave me here! Michael! Michael! Help me! Just say, get on grounded now!
Yeah, I'm joining.
We need you, soldier. We need the most men.
Mom, it's God going on.
Wait, Jaden, do you have a gas mask?
No.
Oh, f***. How do you get a gas mask again? Oh, wait, no, I think you should be able to make it.
Let me back here.
Where are you? Oh my god!
Where's he at?
I'm on the tree.
Oh, it's like, Jason, you gotta walk over here, bro.
Okay, so. Okay, never mind.
How the hell do I get down?
Hey, there's zip lines, bro. Just get on the zip line and get down.
Where is
It's
it?
so foggy I can barely see the zip line.
You know you're like the youngest person I know?
You are the youngest person
Actually,
ever.
Person I know.
Did I not say that?
I was thinking about it. I just couldn't think
I am
about it.
not.
Bro.
It's the MRI machines that they said they made before they found out the friggin' backrooms existed.
Yeah, it's their fault that they opened the dimension, bro.
Was it always like
Okay.
there, or did they?
No, before that, they're doing something to test out something, and then they open that dimension. They open that, like, portal to the back rooms.
It was right behind you.
No, it wasn't.
Trust me, it was. When I mean oldest friend, I mean longest running friend, bro.
I don't run, though.
Bro. Oh, imagine grounded too, bro. Oh my god, y'all guys to be finished grounded too in like.
Next, we're gonna be f***ing Kratos, I bet.
You were meant to be a
There's
vegetarian or
quail
something,
eggs in
bro.
it. There's also quail eggs in it. Oh my god, my voice sounded so much different. You heard that right, Moises?
No, still not on. I heard that.
Those edits.
Yeah.
Oh! What the hell is this?
What?
The Sprite I have.
Dude, he got the one I want, Michaela.
What?
He got the peanut.
No, you didn't.
I did.
That was a summer season.
Dude, Evie's tits.
Dude, I was telling Michaela about that earlier, dude. Dude, I feel so much faster now since I'm fast.
That's how. Water found in ocean, bro.
Faster. Water found in ocean. Yes, bro, we hear the music. God, we hear the music, bro.
Hey, yo, just I don't think it's loud enough, bro. Can you turn it up real quick?
This is a guaranteed VIP membership. Oh my gosh. I had to be there, that's one of my ears.
Moises, can you clip it and send it to me?
I can hear it through your screen, but it's how loud his mic is.
Do they know? Don't they know how easy I give it to them? I give them all they want, and all they do is complain. I'm better. I am God.
Bro, I can imagine your sisters right now. What? I can imagine your sisters right now just thinking what kind of freaking lore you're going through right now. What we hunting, boys?
Oh! Right here! Get him! We're getting him! Okay, Gold Guardian skin.
He shined as bright as a diamond.
Guys, keep a lookout for our gold skin, okay? Keep a lookout for our gold skin. We're coming after him. All of the agents, we're going for him.
Dude, you are not escaping, bro. You are not escaping.
Dude, look how many people are chasing him. Nah. Dude, it's about to be war.
Damage, bro.
The what?
Oh, I'm gooning. I just killed a firefly, bro. With like in 4 shots.
Oh, by the way, what I got you earlier,
I haven't tried it yet. I was
the arrow things, they were in the chest.
Oh, they are? Oh my god.
One of them, I don't know which one. Check the storage ones too if you don't find them.
Dude, this bow does so much damage.
What bow did you get?
The crow crossbow.
Oh yeah, I've had that, bro.
This is getting
it's cracked.
censored. Oh, what? Oh, I'm scissoring. Oh. Oh, she's pegging me. Oh. Look at how
Why did I join it? Why did I join it?
What is going on?
Why did I join it? Why did I join it?
Oh my god, that was funny.
You're not going anywhere.
What the They'll never get past me.
Bro, how poor is Fortnite now?
No, I said it's reload.
So how old is how poor is
Jason,
Fortnite
what
now?
the fuck?
How old are you? I'm 4.
What age? You're the youngest person ever.
No, I was doing it to yours.
No,
Wait,
I'm
no.
clipping that.
Wait. I'll release the N-word clip. Michaela, I'll release the N-word clip.
I am the arrowist.
Well, okay,
What
bro.
am I?
You're...
The gay. Let's go!
After this, we are no longer friends. We are siblings.
After this,
Avengers!